Hello guys, this is Vysh. So we have reached episode number 75. This initiative is started on December 5 and continuously, including Saturdays and Sundays. Every single day our teachers are teaching different subjects, 5 MCQs, and so we thank you for the support, and we will continue it till the prelims exams and maybe beyond that also. So please just hit the subscribe button and like button if you have already joined this session. And about 23 prelims, I would like to tell that the economic survey, the budget, the notification, the form filling, everything is almost done and everything is out. Okay, so still now if you have not become serious, then it's going to be very tough for you to clear the exam. Okay, 23 students I'm telling. 2024, there is a lot of time. Please watch all the basic videos we have done for you and then start studying as per the timetable given. Okay, and our do or die batch is also there, 111-day timetable, so you can sit and study even if you maybe did not do the serious studies till now and you still want to clear this next 3-4 months which you have. You can change your marks. Okay, you can double your score. So please WhatsApp me and get it and try to study seriously. Okay, so these are the 23 related most important videos, that the OTR filling, then the live demo of how to fill a form, and then the OBC certificate, and then the test series. So this can be watched by 2024-25 students also, because next year else you will have confusion like how to get the OBC certificate, or maybe how to apply for age relaxation, and how the filling is done, and how to pay the fees, what are the different columns, what documents I have to keep with myself. So many doubts will be there. So if you see these videos now, then you can simply sit and study, and next year, next February when notification comes, to 24 students don't have to worry. Okay, so that is why please watch them. And if you are beginning your studies, please type Vysh IAS Foundation in the YouTube channel, and then you will get this English playlist also, Hindi playlist also. Okay, so in this there are many videos, but the best 25 in order I will give you when you come to my WhatsApp. So that's why I always tell whoever is new to this channel, please WhatsApp me. And all these teachers are working day and night to give you this regular free series, and there are a lot of lectures which is full complete and half complete, and which we are again restarting. Many things are going on. Okay, so please WhatsApp, this is the number. Today we will do science and tech as usual for Friday. So first question is, which of the following are false about the Indian Institute of Geomagnetism? Okay, so a scientific related body which exists in India, it's there in the news now. Okay, so it is an autonomous research institution under the Indian government's Department of Science and Technology. Okay, meaning what it comes under. India has been involved in magnetic observations since the British Indian days, meaning before 1947 and all, we are into this thing. Okay, we are into magnetic observations, and Indians are doing it, or maybe Indians and British together are doing it. In India, we have been doing this or not? So options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So all these questions are from November current affair. Okay, so now it's February, so 2 months, 3 months old current affair, and this is going to be very important for the upcoming prelims. It's not just static questions we are covering current affair based science and tech questions. So here the answer will be D. Okay, because the option they are asking for false. So neither 1 or 2 is false, means both 1 and 2 are true. Okay, both of them are true. It is an autonomous research institution under the Indian government's Department of Science and Technology, and the institute has been undertaking research in geomagnetics and allied fields since 1971. So this is a post-independence body, but India has been involved in magnetic observations since 1822 at Madras. Okay, this Colaba University, established in 1841, along with the Alibag Observatory, has been providing some 175 years of magnetic field data. So this body, IIG groups works are expected to positively contribute towards developing indigenous MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Okay, you would have heard MRI scan and all those things. So for that, this body is contributing a lot. Okay, so Alibag Magnetic Observatory is India's first magnetic observatory. This observatory was established in 1904. It is situated in Alibag, Maharashtra. It is under administration of Indian Institute of Geomagnetism. Now, Indian scientists have developed the country's first Overhauser magnetometer, an instrument that helps lower the cost of sensing experiments used in geomagnetic sampling. Meaning it's a more, you can tell, a specific instrument with more precision, more accuracy and all. We have a magnetometer which has been developed by this body. That is why this body is in news. The magnetometer is a scientific instrument used for measuring the strength and direction of the magnetic field. It has various applications like geophysical surveys to look for iron deposits, exploration for shipwrecks. So anything where you need sensing and finding out something or detecting something, you need magnetometer. So that is being a precision kind of thing. Most accurate magnetometer is this Overhauser magnetometer. So that has been developed by India. Okay. So the effect which is used is Overhauser effect. This has several advantages like higher accuracy, sensitivity, efficiency. Until now, scientists have been relying on imported ones. Now we have our indigenous one. You know this Make in India concept, many things now for the first time we are making in India, and we are becoming more capable of even exporting things. Okay, like this week, if you know, our fighter jets and planes, everything in Bangalore, they have put it on show. Okay, the Aero Show 2023 is going on. Even Prime Minister is there now he was there 2 days back, I think, in Bangalore, and so it will go on till February, some mid it will go, and it will go on, and then all the India's defense equipments, the fighter jets, everything are being on display, and at least 75,000 crore worth of export is going to happen. Okay, that many orders from different countries are going to come to India for defense equipments alone. Okay, that is the power of Make in India. Now, question 2. Which of the following are true about anemia? It's a condition that is characterized by the lack of healthy blood cells required for carrying adequate oxygen to tissues. It is often accompanied by a disease in red blood cells and deplete blood hemoglobin concentration. Okay, hemoglobin concentration. So options 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. So last few years, if you see, UPSC is asking a lot of questions based on diseases, viruses, bacteria, any pollution, water contamination. So everything which causes health issues, right? That kind of questions are coming. So you have to be aware if anything comes in news especially. So here answer will be both 1 and 2. So anemia is a condition that is characterized by the lack of healthy blood cells required for carrying adequate oxygen to tissues. It is often accompanied by a disease in red blood cells and deplete the blood hemoglobin concentration. It is among the major contributor to the global disease burden. So women of reproductive age may suffer from regular iron deficiency due to the menstruation. Therefore, they are especially vulnerable to mild to severe anemia. Dietary iron deficiency is another top contributor of anemia. So if you have iron deficiency, then it can cause anemia. Okay. Other factors that contribute to this prevalence are genetic disorder, parasitic infection, and inflammation from infections and chronic diseases. The WHO has set the target of having anemia among women of reproductive age by 2053. Okay, they are going to reduce that occurrence in the woman. Okay, in India, anemia is highly prevalent. According to the National Health and Family Survey 2015-16, 53.1% of women of reproductive age and 58.5% of children are under 5 are anemic. Okay, so more than 50% of children and women are susceptible to be attacked by this. So a new study titled "Reducing the Burden of Anemia in Indian Women of Reproductive Age." Okay, this report is there. That is why we have found this question. So there is a link between PM 2.5 pollutants and the anemia. Okay, so it is conducted by researchers from institutions and organizations in India, USA, and China. So according to this new study, PM 2.5 sources like the sulfate and black carbon. Okay, this also can be a UPSC question. Okay, which of the following are sources of PM 2.5, sulfate, black carbon? All are correct answers. Okay, they are all associated with anemia than organics and dust. So the largest sectoral contribution of this PM 2.5 is its industry. It is followed by unorganized sector, domestic source. All these can be a source from which PM 2.5 dust particles or anything can come. And if it comes to your body, there is a chance that you can get anemia also. Okay. So again, the basic age, long term, this much age of women, India should have cleaning targets. So basic, you know what and all they will write. So that kind of solution. So generally stick lines are never important for prelims. These are all important for your mains in case you have to write solutions, long-term goals and achievements and all. For prelims, whatever I told, that much is enough. Okay, it's an Indian Express article. Now question number 3. Union Minister of Science and Technology recently dedicated the Indian Biological Data Center to the nation. Which of the following are true? It is India's first national repository of life science data. It will store all life science data generated from publicly funded research in the country. It operates with the assistance of ISRO. Okay. So this is the 3 statements. Options are 1, 3 only, 2, 3 only, 1, 2 only, 1, 2, 3. So here answer is C, 1, 2 only. Okay, because these 2 are correct, but it's assistance from someone else. It's not from ISRO. So it is India's first national repository for life science data. It will store all life science data generated from publicly funded researchers in the country. It operates with the assistance of Department of Biotechnology. Okay, so it is not from ISRO, it is from Department of Biotechnology. So in the long term, it seeks to become a major data repository for all the life science data originating from India. Okay, it is established at the Regional Center for Biotechnology in Haryana. It has disaster recovery site in NIC in Bhubaneswar. So these are the centers, and this maybe usually in SSC, PSC exams and all, they'll ask this also, like where it is located and all. So you can note down if you are giving those exams. Okay. Now it has this high performance computing facility also, which is called BRAHM. The objectives of this are providing an IT platform, develop standard operating procedure, perform quality control, develop web-based tools. So these are very generalistic for any data center. These are the usual things which is to be done, which are the objectives. Okay. Now, since life science data is highly complex and heterogeneous, IDBC is being developed in a modular fashion. This means that different sections deal with different types of data set. Okay. So it has initiated this nucleotide data submission services via 2 different data portals. So it will be done in a modular fashion, means in different it's not like together it is being developed. There is 2 sections under it. Okay, like there is one center for this one center for this one. Data is segregated into different things, and there is a dashboard where you can see the overall thing, and it is generated by this INSAC Labs. So basic things of how that portal and dashboard and how they are going to store the data, what is the repository functioning, that full detailing is given here. Okay, again for prelims, whatever I gave, that is the most important thing. Now, question number 4, which of the following are true about BHIM and Unified Payment Interface? Okay, about which UPSC, I think many questions have come already in prelims. It is developed by Niti Aayog and Indian Bank Association. BHIM UPI is now live at NeoPay terminals in the UAE. BHIM app open source license model was announced recently. So options are 1, 2, 3, 2 only, 2, 3 only, 1, 3 only. Okay, so they are asking about the BHIM app and their new whatever is happening in the news. So here answer is C, 2 or 2, 3 only. Okay, because it's not Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is not involved. Indian Bank Association, you can tell indirectly involved because the body is National Payment Corporation of India. Okay, so you can go and find out who all have made actually this body, who all have made. Then you will find that IB also in picture. So National Payment Corporation of India has developed this UPI, BHIM, and anything NEFT, whatever we do digital transactions, everything is made by NPCI only. Okay, so we know the UPI. Even you maybe last many days you did not go to the ATM. You are not dealing with cash everywhere. Even small shops or big shops or online payment, everything you are doing online by UPI only. So that is the beauty of UPI, and that is the future of the world also. Okay, like it's India's contribution to the world actually. Many people are now stopped using cards and MasterCard, Visa card. USA is having a lot of loss because of our UPI concept, and we are expanding it into different countries also. Singapore has adopted it. Malaysia is taking it. Dubai now, if you see, that is the news. The NeoPay terminals in UAE, they are going to accept it. Meaning you go there, you can scan with your UPI app and you can pay there. You don't need to do that currency exchange and all these things now. So like that, slowly, if the entire world, even Russia is talking about accepting it. So if everybody accepts it, then UPI is going to be the game changer in the whole world. Okay. So BHIM app open source license model was announced. This is also a news item. Okay, meaning last year UPSC asked like which of the following are open source. Okay, the Arogya Setu app or some DigiLocker, few things they gave. So this BHIM app is also open source, meaning that code is available, and so it can be used. Okay, for doing something else, for developing something else, the code is openly available. So that is the news item here. Question number 5, Global Vaccine Market Report 2022 was released by which body? Okay, UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO or Gavi, Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization. So about all these bodies you have to learn a little bit. Okay, in our test series we will give everyone detailed notes about all these things. All the students will get it, but others, whichever source you are studying, please make sure you are studying all this. Okay, so this vaccine report is by WHO. Okay, so it was released November 9th 2022 by WHO. Vaccine inequality has been exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic. Critical vaccines that are high demand in high-income countries are in short supply in low-income countries. You know, there is a inequality. Okay, like African countries are not getting vaccines, but the European and Asian countries are getting vaccines. So that inequality and all is there. So that is all listed down in this particular report. Okay, so there is a lack of market incentive and people are not giving. Like India gave a lot of vaccines to the world for free, but many others are charging it, they are patenting it. So everybody is not getting. So that entire thing, what happened in the last 2 years, right, especially COVID-19 vaccines, that is what is listed here. Okay. So this is the 5 questions for today, and as I told, Plum series will definitely help you and you will learn 5 questions every day, but problem is that won't be sufficient for clearing prelims. For clearing prelims you have to practice proper test series, okay, which good coaching institutes are giving, even Vysh IAS is giving. So you can enroll to any good test series and please do daily newspaper reading, daily test series, daily solving previous year papers. There are many things which takes to become a topper. Okay, if you really want to become a topper, or you're simply giving the exam, means then doesn't matter, you can study whichever way you want. So we have science and tech specific 5 tests is there, 500 questions. Then this current affairs we have 12 to 24 months based on which 12 months or 12 24 months you want. Everything will help you clear the prelims easily. Okay, these are the different sub packages if you don't want to get the entire subject package, okay, meaning entire full UPSC syllabus if you don't want, and you want only current affair of particular months, you want only science and tech of particular thing, you can get that also, because this is lifetime validity PDF, soft copy PDF. Even if you fail in UPSC, next year you can again use it, okay. That much content is there, and you will not regret joining Vysh IAS, okay. So we will help you double your score in case you are interested in studying seriously. Please watch all the videos, and tomorrow a new episode will come. Tomorrow Saturday, ma'am will take CSAT, okay. So thank you and have a nice day.